Kung 100% adventure ang hanap mo, camping is the best option. Pero if it's 50% adventure, 50% comfort tulad ng gusto namin, ganito ang ginawa namin. We stayed one night sa hotel near Dalahican Port the day before the ferry ride. Iniwan na din namin sa hotel yung sasakyan namin since babalik pa kami dito to spend another night before going back to Manila. At dahil dyan, nakalibre kami ng parking. If prefer mo mag-park sa port, which is also safe and secured, that's roughly 100 pesos per day. Sa Puktoy Beach, we opted for the government-operated beachfront bungalows. For the location and the size, fair naman yung pricing niya compared dun sa mga katabing luxury resorts. Malaki ang room, malamig ang aircon, and I guess it can comfortably fit about 4 people. So yun, adventure and comfort is key para sa amin to make these trips more sustainable. Mabudol man namin yung mga sarili namin sa mga plano naming bike ride, nababawi naman namin yan sa mga accommodations.